Hello, and today we are looking at the Gemini Jets TUI Airways Boeing 737 MAX 8 in 1/400 scale. And as you can see, this model comes packaged in this really nice little presentation box. And then here on the front, we have an image of the plane. And this is identical to the model found inside, so we're going to have a quick look at it now. As well as it has the airline it flew with, TUI Airways, and its model, again, the Boeing 737 MAX 8. Now, if we turn the box over, you can see we have another image of the plane, this time from the other side, as well as some information about what a Gemini jet actually is, right here. Now, if we turn it back to the front again, you can see here it says, look inside, and you can lift up the lid, and you can see the plane inside the box very nicely without having to get it out. So you could have it on display like this if you so chose, not risking any damage to the model. Looking very nice packaged in the box. And then on the lid here, we have some information about the plane. So at the top here, this section is about the history of the Boeing 737 MAX 8. Whilst down here, we have specification information, such as this little section here is the length, height, and wingspan of a real Boeing 737 MAX 8 in feet and inches. Whilst this is other information you may like to know, such as max takeoff weight, cruising speed, range, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a closer look at the model itself. It comes out very easily. See, it comes packaged within 2 pieces of plastic. Just gently remove the top, like so. And this model is made of die-cast metal, so it is quite sturdy, but smaller parts may be more delicate, so you should always handle with care. And there you have it, the TUI Airways Boeing 737 MAX 8 in 1/400 scale. Now let's look at all the lovely details on this particular model. Let's start with the wings. As you can see, we've got very nice detailed wings. You can see the flaps, you can see the ailerons, you can see the split tip winglets of the 737 MAX series. Looking really nice and detailed. Again, looking really nice. And it's the same on both wings, as you can see. As well as having some really nice detailed jet engines attached to them as well. So you look inside, detailed there, as well as from behind. Looking at the underneath of the plane, you can see we've got some really nice detailed landing gear, and they do have movable, rollable wheels. Let's see if you can see. The wheels do roll, which is really nice. And that's the same for the front and back ones. We have a little hole here, and that is for a display stand if you have one, so you can have a really nice little display piece of this model. Sticking underneath, we also have a little Gemini Jets logo, and as you can see, the wings remain with the same level of detail. And of course, here we have the registration of the plane, which is G-TUMY. And we will get a little bit more into this particular plane shortly. Now moving on to the tail of the plane, you can see the stabilizers with the vertical and horizontal stabilizers, and you can see the elevators and rudders on them. Looking really nice. Nice pointy cockpit. Classic of a Boeing plane. Turning it to the other side, you can see it's the same level of detail across. All the details you see on one side will be present on the other. Now let's move on to the livery of this plane. And as you can see, it's got the current TUI livery, which is known as the dynamic wave livery. As you can see from the way the colours move in a wave pattern across the model. Of course, it being the nice classic blue. We've got a nice dark blue, the light blue and white of the TUI livery. Very nice. You also have big TUI branding at the front with its name and their logo on the stabilizer, as well as branding on the jet engines themselves. So it's looking really nice. Now we can point out a couple of extra little details, such as here, that little writing there that says Boeing 737 MAX 8, which has the model of the plane written on it. And then also right here at the front, this little bit there, is the name of this plane, which is Zakynthos. So that's a very nice little detail. It is hard to make out, but as you can see, Even the smallest details really match this plane's authenticity to make it as real as possible, as well as just the regular, really nice blueprinting of everything else on this plane. And once again, a registration at the back, looking really good. Now, let's get into a little bit of the history of the Boeing 737 MAX 8. As you can see, this is a narrow-body airliner and is part of the 4th generation of the Boeing 737 plane. Now, the 737 MAX 8 in particular was the first variant of the 737 MAX series, and it was designed to replace the 737-800. The MAX 8 first entered service in 2017, whilst the original Boeing 737 first began production all the way back in 1966, and this 4th generation began production back in 2014, and this remains the current generation in production at the moment. And up until September 2025, the 737 was the airliner with the most deliveries before eventually being surpassed by the Airbus A320. And the MAX 8 variant, which is this one here, which has a longer fuselage than the standard MAX 7, is the most widely ordered variant of the MAX series. Now, moving back to the plane itself, it has a registration of G-TUMY, as we have seen, and this plane first flew in May 2024 and was delivered to TUI themselves in June of 2024, and it remains in service with them to this day. So there's a good chance you can see this plane out and about, flying around, taking people on their holidays. Now, looking at the model itself, it has a wingspan of about 8.9 centimeters or 3.5 inches, and it's about 9.8 centimeters long or 3.8 inches long. It's a really nice sized model, really nice and detailed, excellent for any fan of aviation models, or if you've been on a plane like this on your holidays. It's a great little display piece or a gift for someone. Just overall, it's a really, really high quality, nice detailed die-cast metal model. So, just overall, great little piece. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.